So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company like the Geo, Virtusa, Salesforce, Aeon and other important hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity and internship, this video is for you. So first important opportunity that is from the Geo. They are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee network, and the job location is Mumbai. So actually they are hiring for two different locations. One is Mumbai and one is the Gurgaon. Talking about the job responsibilities, so you will carry out requirement understanding from business planning network design, and the other requirements are there. So if you are from the BE BTech in any discipline, and if you have certifications in CCA in Cisco, then there is a strong chance of getting selected. But still, if you don't have certification, no need to worry. You should apply for this. Freshers are eligible for this. The requirement is you should having good communication skill and interpersonal skills and knowledge of computer networking and fundamentals. So if you want, you can apply for that and apply according to your location preference. Next important opportunity that is from the Rubrik. They are hiring for the Infosec intern, and job location is Bangalore office. So these are the roles overview. You can just go through it. Remember friends, every link I am providing in the description. So apply as soon as possible because anytime link can expire. Okay. So these will be roles and responsibility. You will develop dashboard and lot in Grafana and provide supports and participate in documenting, monitoring and all those stuff. So what are the requirements for that? Basic understanding of cloud computing concept like AWS, Azure and GCP, and you should be having strong communication skills and strong problem solving skill. So you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is for the Salesforce. They are hiring the 2027 batch for the role of summer intern. Okay. So summer 2027 intern software engineer must apply for this. Earlier also I provided update for this important job opportunity, that is for 2026 pass out. So if you haven't applied for it, must apply. Okay. And there I have provided you the link for 2026. So actually a lots of hiring is going on from Salesforce, so don't get confused. They are for the different batches. Okay. You can see this is the updates I am providing there. So moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Virtusa. They are hiring for the role of software engineer and job location is Chennai, and link are still open. Okay, so must apply for this wonderful opportunity. So this is a very good company. The things you have to do is, first of all, you have to register your email ID, means verify your email ID. Then you have to upload your CV, and then you have to fill the application form by providing the details. Again saying friends, must apply with your updated resume, then only there is chance of getting reward. Friends, recently TCS have announced the result for the interview. First of all, congratulations to all of them, those who got the result for the interview, and best of luck for your interview. So if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form in the description. We will provide you complete guidance and help you to clear the interview. We have already provided more than 50 plus selection in various companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, TCS and other companies. So if you want, you can fill the form. Next important opportunity, that is from the Dcluttr. They are hiring for the role of AI, means co-pilot for growth, and we are challenging a brand most trusted decision making tool. So the gut feeling means, if you want to work with the some startup kind of things and want to work with them, then you can apply for this. The job location is Gurgaon, and apply with updated resume. You just go through complete job in the description, and before applying must read each and every point. Next important opportunity, that is from the Disprz. They are hiring for the role of software intern positions, and this is a 3 to 4 month duration program. And the things that you should be having knowledge of Disprz LMS and LXP product. So you can just go through these things, and the requirement is you should have a bachelor degree from the CS and IT background, and you should have good problem skills. Job location is Chennai for these two. Next important opportunity, I think this has been expired, so you can ignore that. Next important opportunity, that is from the Deloitte. They are hiring for the role of data analytics Hyderabad, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So they have started, means earlier they have declared the result for the Deloitte NLA, and students got the joining letter too. Now this is also, means if you are from the BE, BTech, BSc or MCA, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay. And again saying friends, apply with updated resume. I have already given you the sample format for Deloitte resume. So if you need, then you can just comment here, then I will provide direct link there. Next important opportunity, that is from the IIT Mandi, and this is a kind of a summer residential program, 2 month, one IT campus, summer intern that rewrites your career. So this is a reporting time and batch start date, and the course duration is 2 months. Certification you will get from the IIT Mandi. So make sure to apply for this. If you are having free time, utilize this summer break with doing some good sessions and learning something. Okay, so software development with AI, these are the things bigs they have provided. So share this video with your juniors, your friends who want to work, who want to apply for that. Next important, that is from the Visa. They are hiring the software engineer in Bangalore. So if you have some experience, means around 1 year experience, then you can apply for this. Okay, they are hiring for the role of software engineer. So if you are interested, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Hope video informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta, और जहाँ भी query है you can ask. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And all the best to have TCS and QT exams. Soon Cognizant other campus hiring will be announced. So stay tuned in our channel. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.